Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Weber. I work at ATAS International as an IT support technician. I started here in 2016. A little information about me and what I do here. Typically on a daily basis, we work on computers for our employees here. A lot of places will have customers where in IT our customers are our own employees. Typically I will do troubleshooting on users' computers, whether that be hardware or software related. We also work on a host of different devices that can be anywhere from a typical printer in the office to tablets for our outside sales reps. We also have, of course, servers and networks that need to be managed and surveillance throughout the day. Make sure everything's running great and people can get to what they need to get to. A little background information about how I got here. Out of high school, I went to Reading Area Community College and received an associate's degree in computer science. Shortly after that, I started here. While I started working here, I got a lot of great hands-on experience and have been learning ever since. So a good rule of thumb is that if you want to get into IT, you only need an associate's for a lot of places to get started. But of course, if you choose to get your bachelor's and master's degree, you can just expand more options for yourself. Getting on-hands experience is also great for helping just learn through things that you might not learn in school as well while you're there. Especially during times like this with a global pandemic, careers like IT are great because they are really still utilized a lot. We have a lot of employees that are working from home, whether that be for their own safety or having children that need to be home as well, giving help school districts are. And those employees need to be able to get connected to the business here and still be able to work. So IT's working overtime right now to make sure that everyone can still do what needs to get done. A lot of you guys might even be listening to this video from your laptop or tablet that was supplied to you from your school. And you guys probably have IT guys that can figure things for you even. So overall summary, if you like computers and you like helping out people in your business, IT could be a great choice. Thank you everyone and stay safe.